what's the recent OSHA regulation ruling pertaining to silica?
So actually in June, OSHA released a final ruling on the use of silica, discussing all of the dangers that are associated with the consistent exposure of silica. And they actually noted that it's been directly linked to more than 900 cases of silicosis annually, which is a very deathly respiratory disease. Silica is common in construction, general industry, and fracking, as it's particularly associated with concrete and stone. And it's said that nearly 2.3 million workers are exposed to silica on a daily basis. So overall, the ruling allows for a very low silica exposure limit and requires that appropriate and proper ventilation is used within the workplace.